Welcome to FinCorp 360, where finance becomes simple and practical. In today's video, we'll master the double declining balance method of depreciation, a powerful accelerated depreciation technique used by businesses worldwide. In the next few minutes, you'll understand the concept step by step, and we'll explore two real-world business examples. Let's begin to learn step by step this second method of depreciation. Depreciation is the reduction in the value of a tangible fixed asset over time. This happens due to usage, wear and tear, or obsolescence. The double declining balance method is an accelerated depreciation method. This means higher expense in early years and lower expense later. The formula is simple of double declining method of depreciation. We double the straight-line depreciation rate and multiply it by the opening book value each year. This creates a declining expense pattern. Let's understand this with real examples. Example 1. An architect purchases a laptop for $2,500. The useful life is 5 years. The straight-line rate is 20%. 1 divided by 5 then equal to 20%. Double that gives us cubed 40%. Year 1 depreciation is $1,000. Book value reduces to $1,500. Year 2 calculation uses the new book value. Depreciation becomes $600. Notice how the expense decreases. Year 2, subtract the expense from last year's value. Repeat this for each year until year 5. Example 2. A delivery company buys a van for $40,000. The van has a useful life of 5 years. Straight-line rate equals 20%. Straight-line rate equals 20%. 1 divide into 5 then become 20%. Double declining rate is 40%. Year 1 depreciation is $16,000. The value drops significantly in the first year. Year 1 revenue was $100,000. After expenses, profit is $20,000. 5-year total, $150,000. Both examples show accelerated reduction. Many companies use this for faster expense recognition. And that's the power of double declining balance. The straight line represents a steady but slower approach. The accelerated curve shows how key steps speed up progress. Now you understand how to calculate depreciation using the double declining balance method. Remember, it accelerates expenses in early years. If you found this helpful, support us by subscribing. In our next video, we'll cover the sum of year digits method of depreciation.